Keto bread is a fantastic alternative for anyone following a ketogenic diet, emphasizing low-carb intake to achieve ketosis, a metabolic state where the body burns fat for energy. Unlike traditional bread, which is high in carbohydrates that can disrupt ketosis, keto bread uses low-carb ingredients like almond and coconut flours. This makes it an ideal choice for maintaining dietary goals without sacrificing the enjoyment of bread. Additionally, because it aligns with the keto principles, it helps in managing blood sugar levels, providing a stable, energy-rich option for meals or snacks. To bake keto bread, you need specific ingredients that align with the ketogenic dietary guidelines. Almond flour and coconut flour are excellent low-carb alternatives to traditional wheat flour, providing the necessary texture and firmness for the bread. Baking powder helps the bread rise without the need for yeast. Eggs bind the ingredients together, enhancing the bread's structure, while butter adds moisture and richness, improving the overall flavor. These essential ingredients come together to create a bread that's not only delicious but also supports your low-carb, high-fat keto dietary needs. Preparing the batter for keto bread is crucial for achieving the right texture and flavor. Start by thoroughly mixing the dry ingredients, almond flour, coconut flour, and baking powder, to ensure even distribution. Gradually add in the wet ingredients like beaten eggs and melted butter, whisking to incorporate. It's essential to achieve a smooth, homogeneous batter to avoid uneven baking and texture issues. Avoid overmixing, which can lead to dense bread, by stirring just until the ingredients are combined. This careful preparation will help ensure your keto bread turns out light and fluffy, perfect for any low-carb meal. Baking keto bread correctly is key to achieving the perfect consistency and taste. Preheat your oven to the optimal temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour the prepared batter into a greased bread pan and place it in the center of the oven for even cooking. The bread typically needs about 30 to 40 minutes to bake thoroughly. To ensure it is properly baked, perform the toothpick test. Insert a toothpick into the center of the bread, and if it comes out clean, your bread is ready. This technique prevents underbaking or overbaking, securing a delightful finish to your keto-friendly loaf. To enjoy keto bread at its best, serve it freshly baked with a variety of toppings such as avocado, cream cheese, or almond butter for added flavor and nutrients. For storing, wrap the bread in parchment paper and place it in an airtight container to maintain freshness. Refrigeration can extend its life up to a week, and for longer storage, slice and freeze it for up to 2 months. Thaw slices as needed either at room temperature or by lightly toasting them, to revive the bread's original texture and taste. These tips ensure your keto bread remains delicious and convenient for any meal.